a cheer. Yeah, let's go. Over here. That's good, lad. I'm doing great, man. How are you doing? Do me a favor. Tell me who you got here with you today. You know, generalizing who these guys are right here.
This is the best class in the world.
That's what I'm talking about.
This is Christian. This is Jacob. That's Jaden. That's Bob, as we call him, but he's Robert. That's Keith. That's Derek, Sam, and Angel. And I got about 4 or 5 of them not here this.
Right. And tell me what class these kids are in right now.
This is our level 3 industrial electricity class.
Industrial electricity class.
Yes,
now,
sir.
if I'm not mistaken, maybe about 3 weeks ago, something like that,
Yes,
you took a crowd of folks from this electricity class up to Chimney Rock. So 5 months ago now, Hurricane Helene came through
Yes, sir.
and really just devastated Chimney Rock. I mean, wiped a lot of it out. God bless those folks, right?
Yeah.
And so you took a class, a bunch of kids from your electricity class, up there to Chimney Rock to help out, because these folks up here still don't have electricity in their businesses and their houses and those kinds of things.
Yes, sir.
And these guys worked a full day of just wiring a home/business in Chimney Rock, where these folks just don't have the help they need. And so in Spartanburg School District 2, we love celebrating difference makers, you know? And I'm telling you, these guys right here have no doubt made a difference in the lives of those folks up in Chimney Rock. I know we got kids from Bowling Springs, Chesney, Landrum, and Chapman who are in your classes, who volunteered their time to go up and help these folks. And so this Friday, we want to celebrate you, and we want to celebrate your electricity.
It was 3, but I also took level 1.
Level 1.
We had 31 kids in all total go, and man, they are awesome kids. I'm telling you, they just make me proud of them.
I'm proud to look at them. I know they did a great job, and guys, we just want to celebrate you in Spartanburg School District 2 as our difference makers of the week. And we got folks here going to cheer for you right now. Let's go! Woo!